As shown in the episode number 2 from the HotEnd Olympics, the filament properties can have a significant impact on the maximum printable flow. The filament properties can be affected by a lot of factors. The addition of pigments and other additives to create colors and textures. The natural variations in the raw material will also affect the results. The production environment, and much more. In order to ensure that we have a good control of these properties during our testing, I am very happy today to announce that Polymaker has accepted to be the official filament provider for the HotEnd Olympics. Polymaker is a very well-known filament manufacturer. Their Polylite PLA was selected as the editor's pick from the 2022 filament review at all3dp.com. Not only Polymaker produces a wide variety of quality filaments, they are also investing a lot of efforts in being as eco-friendly as possible. Polymaker will plant 1 tree for every spool of Polyterra sold. I've connected with Nicholas from Polymaker through their Discord community. I invite you to have a look into this server. Nicholas organizes some Polymaker Academy sessions on Twitch, where he reviews various technical aspects of 3D printing. I have to say that I was amazed to see how much this guy knows about plastics. I've learned a great deal by talking to him.
This is also an island. I mean, can you even see it's 3D printed? Oh no, even...
I wanted to use a filament that was really representative of what most people are using in their day-to-day printing. Nicholas recommended the Polylite PLA, which is used as a base by many other filament suppliers. So a few spools were sent my way. And when I say a few, I mean quite a few. 20 kilograms of Polylite PLA manufactured on the same day with the same melt index. With this aspect under control, I am now looking to add filament drying in the process and better control of the room conditions. Big thanks to those of you who are now supporting me through Patreon. Keep an eye on my page, some cool content is coming up. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the next episodes of the HotEnd Olympics. Thanks for watching, see you soon, and happy printing!